Hello YouTube community. In this video, we'll be discussing the use of obsidian to create extremely sharp and dangerous tools. Obsidian is a naturally occurring volcanic glass that has a very sharp edge when it is chipped or flaked correctly. It has been used for thousands of years to make knives, spears, arrowheads, and other tools and weapons. Obsidian is still used today in some parts of the world to make traditional weapons, and it is also sometimes used to make decorative or ornamental objects. The process of making obsidian weapons involves finding a suitable source of obsidian, chipping or flaking it into the desired shape, and then attaching it to a handle or shaft. This process can be done by hand using simple tools, or it can be done using more advanced techniques and equipment. Obsidian-based weapons are not generally stronger than metal-based weapons. Obsidian is a naturally occurring volcanic glass that is relatively brittle and prone to breaking or shattering under certain conditions. In general, metal-based weapons such as steel or bronze are stronger and more durable than obsidian-based weapons. That being said, obsidian does have some unique properties that can make it a useful material for certain types of weapons. Obsidian blades are extremely sharp and can be honed to a very fine edge, making them useful for cutting and slicing. Obsidian is also very hard and can hold an edge well, making it a good choice for certain types of knives and other cutting tools. However, obsidian is generally not as strong as metal and is not as resistant to damage or wear. It is also more difficult to work with than metal, and it requires more specialized techniques and tools to shape and finish. The process. Here is a general step-by-step guide for how to craft obsidian-based weapons. #1 Gather materials. You will need obsidian, a handle or shaft for the weapon, and any other materials or tools you will need, such as adhesives, abrasives, or a forge. 2 Find a source of obsidian. Obsidian can be found in areas where volcanic activity has occurred, such as in the United States, Mexico, and Japan. Look for black, glassy rocks that are free of cracks or blemishes. 3 Shape the obsidian. Obsidian can be shaped by flaking or chipping it with another hard, sharp object, such as a hammerstone or a metal chisel. Experiment with different techniques and tools to find the best way to shape the obsidian into the desired shape for your weapon. 4 Attach the obsidian to the handle or shaft. Once you have shaped the obsidian into the desired shape, you will need to attach it to the handle or shaft of your weapon. This can be done using adhesives, such as glue or resin, or by tying or lashing the obsidian to the handle with cord or sinew. 5 Finish and polish the weapon. Once the obsidian is attached to the handle or shaft, you can finish and polish the weapon to your desired level of refinement. This can be done by sanding and smoothing the surface of the obsidian with abrasives, or by heating the obsidian in the forge and then quenching it to harden it. 6 Test and use the weapon. Once your obsidian weapon is complete, you can test it out to see how it performs. Obsidian blades are known for being very sharp, but they are also brittle and can break or shatter if they are subjected to too much force or impact. Use your obsidian weapon with care and handle it with a great amount of respect. As I'm sure you've learned something from this video, it would be greatly appreciated if you gently and tenderly crush that like button and subscribe to this awesome channel. Leave us a comment below about what you think of obsidian and other ways it could be used. Well, that's all for now. Until next time. Enjoy life.